important commands. Selection. If you do not want a selection, then press the key Ctrl and D, or select the command deselect from the select menu. If you have accidentally removed a selection, then select the command reselect. Resize image or transform image. If we would like to increase or decrease the size of an image, then transform or the shortcut key Ctrl T is used. The selection pointer of the image can be dragged to increase or decrease the size of the image. If you would like to show some part of the image in a bent fashion, then use the Warp tool. When you select this tool, you will observe some nodes displayed on the image. These nodes can be moved to change the shape of the image. If you would like to make some more changes in the image, then options like desort, perspective, and skew are also available. Let us see how these commands are used. Open an image. On the layer above it, select a second image file. Now, on the first layer, select only that part where you would like the image from the first part to be displayed. Make the selection using the polygonal lasso tool. To fit the image in the selected part, make use of the layer mask from the layer palette. The image has now fit in the selected part, but the part of the image that we were interested in is not visible. To make the part visible, click on the link in the layer and the layer mask and unlink it. And select the thumbnail layer. Now the image can be moved easily. Adjust it now according to your needs. Now you will see that your image is fit as per your desire. Adding an image. If you would like to have an image on a page, then use the command Open from the File menu. Select the path of the image and click on Open. If you are interested only in a certain part of the image, then select that part using the selection tool and drag it to the work area. When we add an image to the work area, then a new layer is created for it. Now resize the image. To do so, select the command Transform from the Edit menu or press the key Ctrl and T. Adjust your image on the page as needed and press the Enter key or click on the button Commit Transform on the option bar. Rasterizing image. Rasterizing a vector layer means to convert it to pixels. Vector layer graphics are created using lines and circular shapes. This means that irrespective of the size of the image, the clarity of the image does not increase. However, to give it an artistic effect, it is essential that rasterizing is done. That is, the image is converted to pixels. When we zoom an image, the pixels, that is, the square-shaped dots in the image, will be visible.